Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Owltron dual camera system. It's an indoor camera set which can be used for children or pets or anything else. Comes even with some AI human detection. They have a 1080p HD resolution. They come with a built-in microphone and speaker. They also support Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. So if you have one of these really nice speakers with built-in screen, you can just ask and it will show the picture of these cameras. And of course they come with a free app, and one of the big things of the app is that you can watch up to 16 of such cameras at the same time on one phone. So I'm going to take them out of the box, show you everything what you get and set it up, and then show you some real live footage. So here's the package in detail, and you can see all the nice features, also night vision and some optional cloud storage. And in the back we can see the model type, that's LF-C3t. And so let's open and see what we get. Everything nicely organized. Get also these nice instructions manual. Maybe it helps you a little bit get a better impression what we have, but I'm going to show you a lot of it anyway here in the video. What's important, of course, the QR code to download the app from the App Store. So here we have 2x power supply, micro USB standard, pretty long cable, it's important. And then here the cameras looking really nice. Of course, let's remove the stickers here. So everything is nice and clear. And so it comes with this nice stand. You can see it's very flexible. We can point it to pretty much any angle we want. Has a safe stand, has this nice opening, so we can use these screws on a wall or on a ceiling and then hang it in. Comes also with this soft rubber feet, so we can just use it on a desk or so. Really nice, has a solid safe stand. And it comes also with the power supply, comes even with the drill pattern. And we get even some stickers if you just want to use the stickers on a wall or ceiling. Pretty strong tape, I would say. And we get the 2 power supply with an output of 5 volts and 1000 milliamps. So you can use these ones or you can use any kind of standard USB output. The set doesn't come with micro SD cards, so what I recommend is maybe 32 gigabytes premium micro SD card like Samsung. And so we can just push it inside, pins go to the front, push it just here inside. And so let's scan the QR code. It's called the Little Elf Smart. When we click on download, it will bring us to the normal official Play Store, which is really nice. And so after downloading and installing the app and setting up the account and logging in, we are here and we can click on add a device. Of course, we have to give authorization. Of course, it's recommended to use precise location, otherwise probably connection won't work. And so it looks like that's the camera, the white one here. Let's go with this one here. Of course, now it's time to power them on.
Wait to connect.
Okay, there was a nice voice. So we have both of them now ready. And the indicator light is red blinking, which means it's ready to connect. We confirm, click on next. And now we choose the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi from the router. We can also use a combined 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. And what's important is that we are already connected with this phone here to the same Wi-Fi which we want to use later for these cameras. After connecting, of course, we can use any kind of data, also mobile data from anywhere in the world. So we click on next here. And then we get the QR code which we hold in front of these cameras. The first one here and second one here.
Connect success.
Okay, we have a success, at least the camera is saying that. Yeah, we can see both of the cameras are already connected. That was super easy. And they have already detected some motion, so it looks like it's definitely working. By the way, if you're having problems to connect, then here's a reset button in the back. And maybe also something which could be interesting for you to know, this camera here is consuming about 0.3 amps. So this is definitely not a lot of power, but it could be too much to use just like with a power bank for longer time. Just as a small calculation, with a 10,000 milliamps power bank, it would work for around 30 hours, a little bit more than a day. But definitely impossible to have it running for a week or even 2 weeks when you're on a vacation just from a power bank. So let's click on the security camera. So we have here also test notification. Yeah, it gives a lot of information here about to set up the app, so you get definitely then the notification. And so we can either just check one camera here. So we hold the hand in front of it. You can see it's obviously the left one. We can choose between HD and SD. We can turn on and off the speaker. Of course, I'm not doing this here. I'm too close. I can shoot directly an image from here or start video recording. Then save it, share it, upload it to the cloud, share it with everybody, or use the microphone which will then come out from the speaker here of this camera, or make it a full-size image. Of course, we have all the options here then as well, except from the settings which we have only here. We have even some tab to run automation. Then we have the possibility to connect to Amazon or Google Home. We have some sleep mode, basic functions like status indicator. So we see the green light. If you want to hide the camera so people are not seeing this, especially during the night, you can turn it off, can flip the screen, add watermark, and talking mode can be one way or two way. Then the infrared night vision, we can turn it off or on or automatically. Then the alarm settings. We have a sensitivity level between high and low. Then we can choose even activity area. That's really cool. Especially if you have too many false alerts. You can reduce the area which you want to observe and then exclude some parts. Really helpful. And you can even add this human body filtering. Also something which greatly helps to reduce false alerts. Can even add a schedule, then some storage settings from the micro SD card. It's highly recommended to do the formatting here directly in the camera. So we do it here. And then we have the recording settings, and that's super important. We can also activate the local recording, which means the micro SD card. And we can activate non-stop, which means then 24/7 recording. Of course, not in the cloud, but on the micro SD card. That's super helpful. And then the cloud storage settings. And of course, for the cloud storage, we have to pay. There's only a 14 days trial of the monthly plan available, but that's it. Can also activate offline notifications, share the device or add it to the home screen of your device, and then check for updates, restart, remove device. So we have pretty much everything what we need. And again, what's pretty cool here, we can check all the cameras at the same time. So up to 16 cameras we can view. So I move them around so you can see that they are really moving. With some other systems, it's just like a stand image. But here it's really moving even if you have 16 at one time. I mean, of course, you have to choose how many. Here I have chosen 4, but we can definitely go up to 16. And so I've been using these cameras for a little bit and they worked really great. I had one outside, one inside, got a lot of notifications, actually no false alerts, but every time when I was walking in front of these cameras, then I got an alert. And even on my smartwatch, as you can see, it says motion detection, security camera has detected a movement. So you can see that here, and I got it really within seconds after moving or walking in front of such a camera. So it looks like the notification works really reliable. And we can also see these messages here. That's for one of these cameras. I had this one here outside. You can see for every notification you get this image here where you can see that somebody was here, and the image is pretty clear. I hope you can see that here even outside. And at this time it was outside almost totally dark. I had turned off all the lights and the only illumination came from this camera here with the infrared light assistant. So it's pretty impressive. It has been illuminating the whole room, and as you can see, it caught me every time, no matter if I came from the right side or left side. Every time it has come up with some motion detection, really good. And also exactly same thing from the second camera which I had here inside. You can see me approaching from the right side, from the left side, from the right side, from the left side, never missed me. And also here inside the quality is really good, as you can see. I mean, I didn't use any kind of artificial light and the quality is really good. If you want to see also the video, not only the photo, then you can remember the time here and then go back and click on view. And then it will come up with this camera. We can hit this thing here, click on playback, and it will use the playback from the microSD card inside, and you can see it starts playing almost instantly. I hope I can make this a little bit bigger. So let's start this again, and you can see that works really nice. Awesome video, lot of details, absolutely perfect. You can make this also a little bit larger, so it's easier to adjust the time. And when you see something suspicious, you can make an image, save it, share it. You can also start recording directly from here and then share the video. Of course, you can have even more comfort when you're subscribing to the cloud, but also already on microSD card, it's already pretty good, and I'm super impressed by the quality of the footage. 1080p Full HD just from such a small camera comes in this 2 set. So I would say I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.